Hello everyone, welcome back to another math tutorial. In this lesson, we're going to learn about rotational symmetry. So, what is rotational symmetry? A shape has rotational symmetry if it looks exactly the same after being rotated by a certain angle, but less than a full turn. For example, think about a square. If you rotate it by 90 degrees, it looks the same. Rotate it again by 90 degrees, and it still looks the same. The number of times a shape fits onto itself in one full turn of 360 degrees is called the order of rotational symmetry. Let's look at some examples. A square has rotational symmetry of order 4 because it looks the same after 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, and 360 degrees. An equilateral triangle has rotational symmetry of order 3 because it fits onto itself after 120 degrees, 240 degrees, and 360 degrees. A rectangle has rotational symmetry of order 2 because it looks the same after 180 degrees and 360 degrees. A circle is special. It has infinite order of rotational symmetry because it looks the same after any rotation. So the key idea is rotate the shape around its center, count how many times it looks the same in 360 degrees. That number is the order of rotational symmetry. And that's how rotational symmetry works. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math tutorials.